let's start. Let's first go to architecture, select a floor, select concrete slab 200 mm, select circle, pick at the center point, make a radius of 5 meters radius. Okay, finish the floor. Next we go to elevation, set the offset to 0, level 1, go to massing and site, in place mass 1. Okay, draw a circle, pick at the center point, make a radius of 4 meters. Okay, now let's see the east elevation. Cancel. Make sure level 2 is at 4 meters. Okay, now let's go to level 2. Okay, create a circle. Okay, pick at the center point. Let's make a radius of 0.5 meters. Okay, go to 3D, select the 2 circle, create a form. Oh no, undo. Let's undo. We make, okay, undo. Let's go to level 1, make an arc, center ends arc, then set the reference plane, pick a plane. Okay, select east elevation, open. Okay, now we point at the center. Okay, 4 meter radius, then pick at end. Okay, select an arc, pick the midpoint, the point, and make it like say 80 degrees only. Okay, let's look at the 3D. Okay, let's select the small circle and delete, and also the big circle. Let's go to east elevation. Let's create a line first. Okay, go to 3D. Now select the big circle, delete. Now select the 2 lines, create a form. Okay, perfect. Now you select the surface, then divide surface. Now let's change the U grid to 8 and the V grid to 8 also. Okay, now select the surface, the divided surface. Okay, let's select all, then filter, check none, select the divided surface. Okay, now select a pattern, select the space frame, the rectangular space frame 04, all. Okay, it's finished. Let's check. Okay, let's see the east elevation. Perfect. So you have the geodesic dome with space frame with the spider fittings. Okay, let's check the 3D, the aerial view. Okay, let's see the perspective. Okay, now we have a finished 3D model. Thank you.